Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Lindsay and I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos. My goal is to always get you guys up and moving around with me and to tackle some spaces in your house that have been bothering you. So in today's video, I am doing a deeper clean of my bedroom and organizing a few drawers, dusting, vacuuming, cleaning off my mirror, my fan, and also sharing something with you guys that I just received a few days ago. So right now I am getting some clean sheets on my bed. I noticed that getting up and making my bed every morning just sets up my productivity for the day. So I just wanted to share something really cool that was sent to me by Mapiful. I'm going to open it for you to show you guys. I cannot say enough good things about this website. So this here is the poster that I ordered. It is a picture of me and my husband on the beach. And at the bottom it says Our Happy Place. It has Panama City Beach, Florida since 2009. And then I have our names down here at the bottom. And then I have text that goes over the entire picture. And it says, I love that we are able to create memories with each other and our children at our favorite place. So they have a lot of different options on Mapiful. You can customize your own meaningful posters. They have different options as far as maps and zodiac signs. And then they have the text art, which is this one right here. And I wanted to create something for me and my husband's bedroom. Something that I could put in here that would mean a lot to us. And we go to Panama City actually every year for vacation, and that is always the place that we have gone with our family. We've actually never been there by ourselves, and we have actually been going there since 2010, but I put 2009 because me and AJ started dating at the very beginning of 2009. It is not framed just yet, but I think I'm actually going to have my husband frame it, just buy some wood and then paint it and frame it for me. But I think this will go really, really nicely in our room, and it means a lot, and it'll be something that we can always look back on. So make sure to go check them out at mapiful.com, and also be sure to check them out on Instagram. I will display it here on the screen, and then I will also put it in the description box below.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder.
I wanted to go through my dresser and organize my sock drawer because everything is always just kind of thrown around in there. I do match all of my socks because the last thing that I want to do is try and find a match for socks when I am in a hurry. And I also go through my t-shirt drawers and take out a few things that I don't wear anymore. So I'm just going to donate those, and you will see in a minute that I go through the two bottom drawers that are my husband's short drawers. I was going to ask him to come up here and help me go through all of them and see if there's anything that he doesn't want or wear anymore, but he was actually already busy outside doing his side job, and he also has a hard time giving things away even if he hasn't worn something in years. Me, on the other hand, I am always ready to declutter and get rid of things that I'm not using anymore, so I just decided to go through his drawers as well and straighten those things up a bit because they weren't super organized. The chest of drawers in the other part of the room is also his, but I knew I couldn't go through any of that or pull anything out to donate anything, so that is something that I will just go through later with him and sort out. I know there are quite a few things in there that he could get rid of and free up some drawer space.
So I know what you'll say, baby, don't bother. You know it hurts anyway. Don't bother. As long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over. Over, it can't be over, over.
All of these things I am moving are things that are going to go on my new desk that my husband is building for me very soon. I have a desk over in the corner of our bedroom as I am working from home for the time being, but he is going to build something a little bit bigger for me so I have more space to edit my videos and just be more organized so that planning videos for my channel will go a lot smoother. As soon as he gets that set up for me and I get it all together, I will make sure and share it with you guys.
Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swing through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swing through the loco paraíso.
My bedroom was super dusty, so this was definitely something that I wanted to tackle today while cleaning up my bedroom. It is very hard to reach the top of the mirror, so I just used my Swiffer duster for the top part and then used Pledge and a cloth for the rest.
About time you drop that fight. When the heat be rising, we still gliding. Nothing's gonna change how we feel.
So I just wanted to take a minute and tell you how much I appreciate you guys. I am so thankful to be able to do YouTube. This is such a huge passion of mine, not only as my creative outlet, but just being there for you guys and help inspire you guys and motivate you guys and helping you create a home and space you are able to live in and raise your family in. And just to be able to come together and share our tips with each other and just feel like we are all in this together. And whether this is your first time here on my channel or a returning subscriber, I'm so grateful for you guys. And as always, one of the easiest ways to support me and my channel is to subscribe to the channel. It is completely free. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and also hit that bell button, and it will notify you every time I upload a new video. Subscribing to my channel is the best way to support me in this, so if you have already subscribed in the past or if you are just subscribing today, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you guys. Tell them what you got today.
Got a haircut.
You look awfully handsome.
Hey, me. I got a haircut.
You didn't get a haircut.
I got a haircut.
You did not. You look pretty though.
And I like a pony and I got a haircut and there's stuff.
You got a ponytail, but you didn't get a haircut.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like these, and I will see you next time.